guys, Saturday morning. I'm going to do something different for once. Show some birds and maybe some dogs if they get in the way, which is like this one. We got some cockatoos eating stuff, a couple of black crows up there, and a couple of other birds hanging around. Little noisy miner went to go and fly away, cocky. I wonder when they'll move, eating. A couple of crows just chilling up there. Oh, sorry, the dogs. Hey. Oh, so yeah. Just chilling, he's just chilling, he's eating and he's just chilling. Hey, ooh, that one, and another one, oh, another one. Sorry, I'm a bit tragically lost. Having a little cockatoo meeting. Low key up here in the tree. That you can see. Oh, two of them. So there's two of them there. 1, 2. Near something else. Near something else, I just don't know where it is. Oh no, you can see that one, and then there's that one. Interesting. I wonder what that bird is. Oh. Crow. Lost him. Oh, I think that's a galah. Oh, that's a cocky. It's a galah, another cocky. Oh yeah, that's a perfect little shot. Oh. Oh, there's a crow up there. Hop along. More crows and there's cockatoos in that tree. Crow again. Flying. Oh, another one. And a lost soul. Two of them. Another crow. I mean, sorry, cockatoo. Two Indian miners up there. Just chilling. Hopefully I don't attack any. Oh, that bird. I'm forgetting the name of him. I just lost him. I know there's another one there. Oh, there he is. Try not to scare him. Oh, there's two of them. This bird here. Indian line. Oh. Two cockies chilling. A crow. It's interesting. Nice little different vlog for you. I think this one, yeah, just dropped a crap. Right when I was gonna say that. Interesting. I'll take you on the higher view. Another little one over there. Two cockies up there. Oh, another just took off. There he is. Up in the tree. Another little bird. Bunch of galahs. Cockatoo again. Noisy miner. Another one of those birds. Death staring me. Couple of Indian miners. Eating. Noisy miner. I think he's gonna fly soon. Oh no, yep, there he is. Couple going under. One. Wait, oh, someone else was just over there. Cocky again, right with his mate. Crow somewhere up there. Hi, I can just see him. Another little bird just flew past. Anyway guys, I might wrap this vlog up. Just a little nature sort of thing. The next one will me looking at a storm. Hope you enjoyed this one, and bye for now. Cockatoo.